Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 13th of November, and we're glad to present you our weekly analytical review of the foreign exchange market. Last week, the pair euro to dollar tested the level of 1.1575, but failed to consolidate below it. By now, it has increased to the middle line of Bollinger Bands at 1.1680. Breaking through this level will open the way for further growth to 1.1750 and 1.1850. Otherwise, the price will return to 1.1575 and 1.150. Technical indicators show growth. MACD histogram is reducing in the positive zone, and stochastic is directed upwards. This week will be rich in economic statistics that can give the price dynamics. It includes CPI and industrial output data for the USA and Eurozone, as well as US retail sales and European GDP. Mario Draghi is to make a statement at the end of the week during a banking congress in Frankfurt. Generally, the continuation of growth is possible in case the level of 1.1680 is broken out. However, if the price consolidates below 1.1640, the pair may start to fall as well. The pair pound to dollar last week traded within the range of 1.320–1.3070. The level of 1.3070 still remains a key one for the bears, and in case it is broken down, the pair will further drop to 1.2970, meeting FIBO level of 38.2%. However, the price has already tested the level of 1.3070 in vain, and the return of the price to the upper border of the trading range around 1.3160 to 1.320 seems more likely. Technical indicators show reduction. MACD histogram is growing in the negative zone, but stochastic is reversing downwards. Fundamental events of the week include CPI statistics and the data on retail sales in the UK. In general, the fall may continue if the price consolidates below 1.3070, but the movement from this level and further growth are more likely. Last week, the pair dollar to yen dropped to the level of 113.20, but now is trading near the middle line of Bollinger Bands. The key level for the bulls seems to be 113.85, meeting FIBO level of 23.6%. In case it is broken out, further growth is possible to the levels of 114.40 and 115.0. A key level for the bears seems to be 112.90, meeting FIBO level at 50.0%. From this mark, the price may continue to fall to 112.20 and 111.60. Technical indicators show the fall of the price. MACD histogram is reducing in the positive zone, and stochastic is directed downwards. Fundamental events of the week include the data on Japanese GDP and the volume of industrial output in Japan. Generally, one has to wait for breaking through the key levels at 112.90 or 113.85. The pair Australian dollar to US dollar last week moved laterally between the levels of 0.770 and 0.7615. Breaking through the upper border of the range and the middle line of Bollinger Bands may lead to growth to the level of 0.780. If the price consolidates below the level of 0.7615, the pair will continue reducing to 0.7570 and 0.7510. Technical indicators don't give a clear signal. MACD histogram is falling in the negative zone, and stochastic is reversing downwards. Fundamental events of the week include statistics from the Australian labour market. In general, one has to wait for the price to break through the key levels at 0.770 and 0.7615. Last week, the quotes of gold rose to the level of 1288.30, but then were corrected to the middle line of Bollinger Bands at 1277.0. Further fall may continue to 1265.0. This is confirmed by stochastic that has reversed downwards. If the price consolidated above the level of 1277.0, the pair may go up to 1288.30 and 1296.0. Generally, the continuation of the fall seems more likely. That's all for today, and good luck with your trading!